In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on apps over here. Now select those three dots at the top right corner and wait for this pop-up to select other settings. Following that, choose default app here and tap on any of those sections you wanna manage, like for example, browser. Click on an app you wanna apply as your new default one. And last but not least, just go back. Your new app will be successfully and automatically applied as your new default. If you ever want to reset to defaults, you can tap on this button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!